Myself Moharai, I am the lecturer of Architecture Department, Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today my topic is Expressionism. It is a subject of Contemporary of Architecture, Module 6. What is the Expressionist architecture? Expressionist architecture was the architectural movement that was started in the first decade of the 20th century and parallel with the Expressionist visual and performing art that specially developed in the dominated Germany. Expressionists claim that the appearances are only symbols. Expressionism transforms reality rather than seeking to intimate it. This was one of the greatest movements of 20th century where not only people fought World War I but also did the architect of that time. This was a movement of them to express something new and around that the phenomenally happened. The political and the social problem had a great influence to architectural Germany, Australia and Denmark. Now, what is the Expressionism architecture character? Restoration of the form of for a emotional effect, subordination of the realism to symbolic or the stylistic expression of inner experience, and underlying effect of the achieve a new, original and visionary, abundance of work on paper and the model with discovery and representation of the concept more important and paramagic finished product. Utilize the creative potential of artisan craftsmanship, tendency of more toward the Gothic than the classical. Not only in Europe, this movement flourished all around, including the Moorish, Islamic, Egyptian, Indian and Roman. Concept of architecture was thought as a work or the art. Most important expressionist architecture 1920, an architect was the Adolf behind Hermann Finksken, Walter Gropius early period, Hugo Hering, Fritz Hogar, Michael D. Clark, Pete Karmer, Karl Kriel, Heinrich Mendelssohn, Hans Poes, Hans Karun, Rudolf Steiner and Bruno Tott. And examples are Einstein Observatory Tower, TWA International Building, Sydney Opera House, Guggenheim Museum 2 Biblo, Glass Pavilion, Colin Deshu Work Bundle, Walter Gropius Monument. Now, most prominent features of this time is Einstein Observatory Tower, Potsdam, Berlin. An architect was Erich Mendelssohn. Einstein Tower in Potsdam, Berlin, constructed 1990 to 1922. Here is the picture of slides which show the upper floor plan, basement floor plan, ground floor plan, and it is the gradually decreases in the floor from basement to the top floor. The interior also show how to observe from ground to the sky, and here is the spiral staircases, cutout, round cutout which is passing through ground floor to upper floor, and the huge window for the observation and the regular panel and the regular interval. This tower was built by Erich Mendelssohn and symbolize Einstein concept, and also it was used to hold the Einstein astronomical laboratory. Mendelssohn wanted to build a something plastic kind of building with no angle and smooth round corner. The total effect was made by the rendering the concrete plaster surface material. It is called the monument of architectural expressionism. Was one of the most brilliantly original building of the 20th century. Thank you for visit my channel.